Hello everyone, welcome to Trade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty levels for 24th April. This is the 15-minute chart of Banknifty. Let's just get to the levels right away. All the levels that is marked can act as a good support and resistance. The green zone that is marked is where we can possibly take some kind of a support, is a good support zone, and along with all the tomorrow CPR pivots is marked on the chart. Now after making this good high, right, in Banknifty, we have kind of consolidated nicely, and on Friday we did get a dip. So there are two things that is possible right now in Bank Nifty. One is either a breakout of this consolidation, meaning all this consolidation what we had, we could break out of this range and go higher, 42,734, or this could be, we could get a much deeper correction, and if we break down from this consolidation we could come lower, right? So it is at a stage where anything could happen. Most likely the bias is on the upside. We could break out of this consolidation and go higher. So we'll just see the levels and what are the things that will help us to trade. Now based on the SGX Nifty, we might be getting a pretty flat opening, and this is where the CPR is. So the first possibility is we could take resistance at the CPR and come down, right? From this high point we have been making, following the lower highs and lower low nicely. So we could come here, take some kind of a resistance and come down again. So probably a short from CPR to this previous day low or this green zone will be a good trade. And even if this level breaks, then the next support is around 41,800 in Bank Nifty. And any move on the upside, like a fierceful, a nice momentum move, will definitely come if this level breaks. That is 42,370. Previously also we have taken resistance here, and we should also track this type of a trend line, which I am marking now. Maybe if we get a strong closing on Friday, we did kind of go above this trend line, and immediately there was a false breakout. It was confirmed immediately in the next candle itself, right? So if we sustain above this trend line, maybe we can see 42,370 and even 42,500. The bias is on the upside as of now. But if this low breaks, that is 41,900, we could see much lower levels of 41,800 and this zone that is marked over here at 41,600. See, for every level that is marked is with the reason this long wick can act as a support. Over here, this area will act as a good support in case we come down, along with all the CPR pivots. And on the upside, this level is a very strong resistance, 42,300, and then the next level is 42,700. And we cannot ignore even this selling zone, because this is where the market kind of turned after making this high of 42,470. See, as of our view, my personal view is on the upside. The bias is on the upside, but the places where we will look to short is if we face some kind of a resistance at the CPR, we will short with this as a first target. Then if this breaks, if this zone of 41,900 breaks, we don't mind shorting until this level, 41,800. And in case we go higher, we break the CPR and go higher, the first target is this 42,370, and then we'll have to see how strong we are closing above 42,370. Only then we'll try to take a further long trade. This is with Bank Nifty. Let's have a check in Nifty how the Nifty chart is on the 15-minute. See, Nifty, there is this one beautiful trend line where multiple times we have taken resistance, the blue trend line that I've drawn. So definitely if we close above this with a strong candle on a 15-minute, Nifty could be bullish with first target as 17,671, and the second target is 17,700. And any move on the downside is if this level breaks, that is 17,550. See, previously there was a support, exactly from there we took support and bounced, right? So if this level breaks 17,550, then the target is 17,500, and this level could get retested, 17,462. So even in Nifty, our bias is on the upside if this trend line breaks. So let's see how we trade on Monday. Hope we can get some good trade. But either way, either the market goes up or down, our levels are pretty clear. Short below 41,900 or look for a support. It's not that if the market comes down here, it can easily break, right? It can even bounce from here. So see how the price action is over here and then take a call. This will be a good level tomorrow, 41,980. And watch out for the CPR. The CPR can act pretty crucial, meaning we can either get a rejection from the CPR on the downside or a rejection from the CPR on the upside, because we might open somewhere very close to the CPR. So we'll be a little sideways, and then either a breakout or a breakdown from the CPR can be a good trade. That's it for today. Thank you.